Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import chart of accounts Odoo. This is useful when you're setting up a new company, moving accounting data from another system, or updating your account structure in Odoo without entering everything manually one by one. We'll go through the process from the Odoo home screen all the way to uploading your file, testing it, and completing the import. This is a straightforward workflow, but it's important to pay attention to the section you're importing into, so your accounting data goes into the right place. Since the chart of accounts is the foundation of your accounting setup, importing it correctly helps keep your financial reports, invoices, journal entries, and account balances organized from the beginning. To begin, go to the home page in Odoo. From there, open the accounting app. This is where you'll find the financial setup options, including the tools needed to manage and import account-related records. If you're working in a new database or a newly created company, this is usually one of the first areas you will configure before entering regular transactions. Once you're inside accounting, click on Configuration. This menu gives you access to the setup area for your accounting structure. From the configuration options, select Chart of Accounts. This opens the list of accounts currently available in your system and is the correct place to start when you want to bring in account data from a file. The chart of accounts includes records like asset accounts, liability accounts, income accounts, expense accounts, and equity accounts. So this section is very important for clean accounting management. Next, click Import. Odoo will take you to its import interface. In this area, you may notice that there are several different things you can import. For example, you can import contacts, journal items, chart of accounts, or assets. Since this tutorial is focused on the chart of accounts, make sure you choose the chart of accounts import option. That part is important because each import type expects different fields and data formats. If you accidentally import into the wrong area, Odoo may not understand the file correctly, or the data may not appear where you expect it. After selecting the correct import area, click Upload and choose your prepared import file from your computer. Before moving forward, it helps to make sure your spreadsheet is clean, consistent, and properly formatted, so Odoo can read it correctly. Even small formatting issues can cause errors during validation. For example, make sure your account codes, account names, account types, and any required columns are written clearly and consistently. It is also a good idea to remove empty rows, extra spaces, duplicate entries, or unnecessary formatting from the spreadsheet before uploading it. Once the file has been uploaded, click Test. This step is very useful because it allows Odoo to check the file before anything is actually imported. If there are mapping problems, missing columns, or formatting issues, this is where you'll usually spot them. Taking a moment here can save a lot of cleanup later. Think of the test button like a safety check before making changes to your accounting data. If Odoo shows an error, review the message carefully. Fix the spreadsheet or field mapping, and then test again before importing. If the test runs successfully and everything looks correct, go ahead and click Import. Odoo will then process the file and add the chart of accounts data into your system. After the import is complete, you can review the list to make sure the accounts were added correctly, the account codes are in the right order, and the account types are properly assigned. And that's it. You've now imported a chart of accounts in Odoo by navigating from Home to Accounting, opening Configuration, selecting Chart of Accounts, using the Import tool, uploading your file, testing it, and completing the import. If you're working with financial data, always double-check the imported results afterward to confirm everything appears as expected. This final review is important because even when the import is successful, you still want to make sure the data is accurate before using it for invoices, payments, reports, or journal entries.